Ramla was the wife of the second Imam, Imam Hassan al-Mujtaba, and the mother of Qasim. Her full name was Ramla bint Salil ibn Abdullah al-Bajli. There is a difference of opinion over her name. Few say that her name was Ramla, but other historians say that the name of Qasim's mother appears as Farwa. Difference over her name is more cultural, for example between Arab and non-Arab historians. But there is a consensus around her presence during the tragedy of Karbala. After the death of Imam Hassan, Lady Ramla did not go back to her house, as widows usually do, but she remained in Medina and took care of Qasim. When Imam Hussain was leaving for Karbala, she then joined the caravan with her young Qasim. Any lady would hesitate or show reluctance to send their son to a battlefield, but Lady Ramla was a lady of strong character. Karbala was the place where every mother wanted her son to be sacrificed first. When Lady Ramla came to know that her son was being stopped by Imam Hussain, she protested and requested that her son Qasim be permitted to be sacrificed before Ali Akbar. She realized that her husband Imam Hassan gave a will to her for the day of Ashura. The eagerness to send her son to the battlefield was to protect her Imam. When Qasim came onto the battlefield, Umar ibn Sa'd saw him and said,
"By God, I'm going to attack him."
When Umar ibn Sa'd struck Qasim, he fell as a result, and Qasim called out to his uncle Imam Hussain for help. Imam Hussain rushed to pick up the deceased Qasim, and when he was carrying him back to the camp, Imam Hussain said,
"May the people who killed you be deprived of God's mercy, because the one who will take them to task on the day of judgment on your behalf will be your grandfather. By God, it is difficult for your uncle to bear the thought that you called out to him and he was unable to respond to your call, or he tried to save your life but to no avail. By God, the number of people who are prepared to kill us are many and the helpers few."
There is not a lot of information about what happened to Lady Ramla after Qasim's martyrdom, but one can imagine that to lose your child to attacking soldiers must have been a heartbreaking and traumatic sight. And Lady Ramla was not the only mother who witnessed this horror and lost her child. In fact, there is a long list of women who presented their sons for this divine sacrifice.